Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can I link PayPal to HoneyBook? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Your Name, and I'm a freelance writer and content creator. I've been using HoneyBook for several years now, and I'm a big fan of the platform. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. Can I link PayPal to HoneyBook? The answer is yes. You can link PayPal to HoneyBook. There are two ways to do this. Add PayPal as a payment method in your HoneyBook settings. To do this, go to your HoneyBook settings and click on the Payment Methods tab. Then, click on the Add Payment Method button. Select PayPal from the list of available payment methods. Once you've added PayPal as a payment method, you can start using it to receive payments from your clients. Use PayPal's checkout button. This is a great option if you want to give your clients the option to pay with PayPal directly from your HoneyBook website. To use PayPal's checkout button, simply add the PayPal checkout button code to your HoneyBook website. Once you've done this, your clients will be able to click on the button and pay for your services using PayPal. Once you've linked PayPal to HoneyBook, you can start using it to receive payments from your clients. Here are some of the benefits of using PayPal with HoneyBook. PayPal is a trusted and secure payment processor. PayPal is easy to use for both you and your clients. PayPal offers a variety of payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. PayPal offers buyer protection, which gives your clients peace of mind when making a purchase. I hope this answer is helpful. If you have any other questions about linking PayPal to HoneyBook, please feel free to leave a comment below. In addition to linking PayPal to HoneyBook, there are a few other things you can do to get the most out of HoneyBook. Create custom templates for your proposals and invoices. Use HoneyBook's time tracking feature to track your time and bill your clients accurately. Use HoneyBook's project management tools to keep track of your projects and deadlines. I encourage you to explore all of the features that HoneyBook has to offer. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy honeybooking!